Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. It is winter time out. That means we're not doing a ton of outdoor content at the moment. Instead, we're preparing our new HD project truck for the next outdoor season. A year ago, we looked at this new T-Mat system we have here in the bed of the truck. It's a really neat modular system you can use to store your gear. In today's video, we're going to go through some of the accessories that you can get with the T-Mat system, including a couple of new ones. It's all coming up next. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we should be able to keep this video relatively short and straightforward. This again is the T-Mat system. It's a modular storage solution. You can put this, as you can see here, in the back of a truck. You can also put it in the trunk of a car, the hatchback of an SUV, wherever you need it. You can pick it up, move it out of the way. You can put it back when you need it. Again, being modular, they have these 12 by 12 inch squares that you can assemble. You can assemble them however you need to. There's some shorter pieces that you can put in there as well. And then they have these load stops. They have these little pegs in them and they fit in these little crosshatch holes that are on here. Again, being able to customize wherever you need to store something, keep it from moving around in the bed of your truck and so on. They also have this neat metal carrier. Now I think this is really intended to be designed to put a bucket on here and keep that bucket from moving around the bed of the truck. But as you can see, we're also able to put a propane tank in here. This is your kind of standard 20-pound propane tank you use for your grill. I actually took this off our camper so we can go get it refilled and keep it from bouncing around the back of the truck. And like I said, we have something new today. Basically, I don't have an edge to the bottom of mine. This came as a kit. A kit came with a lot of pieces on here, but nothing for the back. So that's what we're going to fix today. So we've got some paperwork here. And we have our new pieces here. Okay, these are angled ramps for the back of the system. Like I said a few times, it's modular, so these will fit on the end here. They have a few different sizes of these depending on how wide your T-Mat system is. I got the smaller one because I have these nifty storage pockets on here, so I'm not using my T-Mat on the very end of the truck. But if you were, they have a longer version of this that you can get. They have little handles in here to help you pull this out. I'll show you that in a second. Pretty straightforward to install. You can really kind of put it however you want. I think I'm going to do something like that. Pieces have some nubs on here, very similar to attaching these pieces to each other. You can see that throughout the system here, and you can see the corresponding nubs there that will attach to. That does mean that this will need to be orientated the proper way to make sure that you can hook one into the other. It should just be a matter of pressing these into place just like that and working your way down. So now you can see I've got some great places to be able to pick this up. Move this in and out. Just like that. Now it looks like I actually have a little bit more room in here. I've got a couple more small pieces. Let's try adding those on there. All right, we got our small pieces here. It looks like we need 4 of them, so I got 4 of them ready. Just comes apart like that. And now putting these back on, I'm pretty much at the edge of the truck, maximizing the utilization of the system. And just like before, even with these little pieces on here, not going anywhere, you can take it in and out. It's not coming apart. You can see I'm flexing it pretty good here. Not going anywhere. So there's your quick review of the T-Mat system and some of the accessories that you can get with it. Again, I'll have some links over in the description. Hit the like and subscribe button, helps the channel out quite a bit. We will see you next time.